Good morning, everyone. This is Christine at Fibertech Carpet Care in Oak Bay, and we are just finishing up a job at a lovely home in North Saanich, BC. We're just working on the bedroom, and there's also a dining room to complete as well. But as you can see right here, there's the before and after. So that part of the bedroom's been done, and this part hasn't. This is the high traffic area, of course. Harry's working on the walk-in closet right now as well. You can see a huge difference. Now, when I walked in, I looked at this carpet and said, it doesn't even look like it needs to be cleaned. But then when you do it and you see the difference, and you go, okay, well, now we know why we clean a carpet. So see the difference there? There's the before and after. Huge difference. That's a shadow right there, if anybody's wondering. That's not discoloration, it's actually shadow. But you can see the difference right here. So that's the before and after. These are a really great product, and Harry does a great job since he's been doing this for going on 38 years now. If you'd like your carpets cleaned this fantastic, give us a call. Fibertech Carpet Care in Oak Bay, 778-433-9348. Thanks very much for watching. See you soon.